The deadliest animal on Earth. You won't believe it. Welcome to our countdown of the top 10 deadliest animals to humans. From the vast plains of Africa to the dense rainforests of South America, we will journey across the globe to encounter these fascinating yet lethal creatures. You might be surprised by some of the creatures on this list. While many imagine fearsome predators with razor-sharp claws and teeth, the reality is far more nuanced. Nature, in its intricate balance, has equipped even the smallest of beings with remarkable defenses that can prove fatal to humans. The unassuming killer mosquitoes. Our journey begins with a creature so small it often goes unnoticed until it's too late. The mosquito, a ubiquitous inhabitant of our planet, claims the top spot on our list. Responsible for over 1 million deaths annually, this tiny insect is a silent killer. Malaria, dengue fever, Zika virus. These are just a few of the deadly diseases carried and transmitted by this unassuming creature. Its ability to thrive in diverse environments, from tropical rainforests to urban areas, has made it a global health threat. Efforts to control mosquito populations and prevent the spread of disease are ongoing, a constant battle against this small but mighty adversary. Man's greatest enemy, humans. A sobering truth emerges as we reach our second deadliest animal, humans. Sadly, we are responsible for a significant number of human deaths each year. War, violence, and aggression are all too common, highlighting the darker side of human nature. Beyond these intentional acts, our impact on the environment, from pollution to habitat destruction, has far-reaching consequences that indirectly lead to countless fatalities. It is a stark reminder of our responsibility to each other and to the planet we share. Silent stalkers, snakes. Slithering into our number 3 spot are snakes. While only a small fraction of snake species are venomous to humans, their bites cause a significant number of deaths each year. From the cobras of Asia to the vipers of Africa and the Americas, these reptiles are armed with potent toxins that can quickly overwhelm the human body. However, it's important to remember that snakes are not inherently aggressive creatures. They typically only bite in self-defense. Understanding snake behavior and their habitats is crucial in preventing encounters and mitigating the risk of venomous bites. Chapter 4. Man's best friend, dogs. Our next entry presents a heartbreaking paradox. Man's best friend, the dog, occupies the 4th position on our list. While domesticated dogs bring us joy and companionship, they can also be carriers of a deadly disease, rabies. This viral infection attacks the central nervous system, leading to paralysis, encephalitis, and ultimately death. Tragically, rabies is entirely preventable with vaccination. Yet in many parts of the world, particularly in developing countries, access to vaccines remains limited, leading to thousands of preventable deaths each year. Chapter 5. The silent sleeper tsetse flies. Our journey takes us next to the African continent, home to the tsetse fly, our 5th deadliest animal. This seemingly innocuous insect carries a silent and insidious threat, Trypanosoma brucei, the parasite that causes African trypanosomiasis, more commonly known as sleeping sickness. The disease, if left untreated, attacks the central nervous system, leading to neurological disorders, coma, and eventually death. While control measures and treatments exist, access to healthcare in remote regions where the tsetse fly thrives remains a significant challenge in combating this deadly disease. Chapter 6. The kiss of death, assassin bugs. Our 6th deadliest animal is a stealthy predator with a rather misleading name, the assassin bug. Found in warmer climates worldwide, these insects are vectors of a parasitic disease known as Chagas disease. The parasite, Trypanosoma cruzi, is transmitted through the bug's feces, often deposited near the site of a bite. While many infected individuals remain asymptomatic for years, Chagas disease can eventually lead to severe cardiac and digestive complications, ultimately proving fatal. Chapter 7. Hidden dangers, freshwater snails. Our exploration continues in the world's freshwater ecosystems, where we encounter our 7th deadliest animal, freshwater snails. These seemingly harmless creatures act as intermediate hosts for parasitic worms known as schistosomes. These worms cause schistosomiasis, a debilitating disease affecting millions worldwide. The parasites penetrate the skin and migrate to various organs, causing a range of symptoms, from abdominal pain and diarrhea to liver and bladder damage. Schistosomiasis, while treatable, remains a significant public health concern, particularly in areas with poor sanitation and limited access to clean water. Our eighth deadliest animal might surprise you, the Ascaris roundworm. This parasitic nematode, while often overlooked, infects millions of people globally, primarily in areas with poor sanitation. Ascaris eggs, ingested through contaminated food or water, hatch in the intestines and migrate through the body, leading to a condition known as ascariasis. While many infections are asymptomatic, heavy worm burdens can cause malnutrition, intestinal blockages, and other complications, particularly in children. Our journey now takes us to the water's edge, where we encounter an ancient predator, the crocodile. These formidable reptiles, with their powerful jaws and armored bodies, have instilled fear in humans for centuries. Crocodiles are opportunistic predators, and while attacks on humans are relatively rare, they can be fatal. Respecting their territory, understanding their behavior, and avoiding risky encounters are crucial in coexisting with these magnificent creatures. Our final entry on the list of the top 10 deadliest animals might come as a surprise: the hippopotamus. These herbivorous giants, often seen as docile grazers, are in fact incredibly territorial and aggressive. Hippos are responsible for more human deaths in Africa than any other large animal. Their sharp teeth and powerful jaws can inflict fatal injuries, and they will charge anything they perceive as a threat. Understanding hippopotamus behavior and giving them a wide berth is essential for avoiding potentially dangerous encounters. Thanks for watching our countdown of the top 10 deadliest animals to humans. As we've journeyed across the globe, encountering creatures both large and small, we've gained a deeper understanding of the delicate balance between humans and the natural world. Stay safe and be aware of these dangerous creatures, but remember they are simply surviving by instinct. Respect for wildlife and their habitats is crucial for our safety and for the health of our planet. By understanding these creatures and their role in the ecosystem, we can coexist peacefully and appreciate the wonders of the natural world. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more informative videos.